0.006 of a second behind Rowan Watson. But the youngster, Gary Card, proving himself, running one of his fastest times ever, 10.07, positive 0.2 the wind. So right now, Kadrian Golson and his coach, Maurice Wilson, and Buaja Nkume and his coach, Glenn Mills, are watching closely to see what happens. Is 10.14 fast enough, Danielle?
We're about to find out.
Call it, Danielle. You know this thing, Dowie. You know, you have Damore Miller coming up, Michael Campbell, Ackeem Blake, Javari Thomas, Nishani Banks, Rashid Foster, Dominic Williams, Kimberly Stewart. Hey, there's Damore Miller on screen.
Yep, it's on screen. Damore Miller.
It's going to be tough.
Yep.
It's going to be tough, Bruce. It's not as easy as a semi-final as it looks.
So Miller in 1, Campbell in 2, Blake in 3, Thomas in 4, Ebanks 5, Foster 6, Williams 7, and Stewart in lane 8. And we'll be taking up close and personal shortly, where the athletes listed for will be contesting semi-final 2, 3 sure to advance, and then the next 2 best times. This is Damore Miller, the former Excelsior High star, and he'll be running from lane 1.
10.19 is best.
Michael Campbell of the MVP Track Club.
All the way back in 2017, Michael Campbell represented Jamaica at the World Championships, was in a horrific car accident, still working his way to get back to his very best.
Ackeem Blake, representing Dynamic Speed Track Club. He will be running from lane 3.
An indoor superstar at 60 meters, has gone sub 10 this year. A part of the world record team for the mixed relay in the 4x1. Himself, Tia and Tina Clayton, and Kadrian Golson, who is sitting on the bubble at 10.12.
10.11 in qualifying, Ackeem Blake. Next to him, this is Javari Thomas of GC Foster.
Certainly expected. Go ahead, Daniel.
Javari Thomas comes in with a PB of 10.17, 10.28 to qualify.
And impressive in qualifying, Sean Ebanks of MVP Track Club. He'll be running from lane 5.
Trains with Kishane Thompson every day of his life, has a powerful start and hopes to hold on to be in the top 3.
Rashid Foster, the back-to-back intercollegiate champion, runs from lane 6, representing Elite Performance.
Strong performer, did well at Penn Relays this year, and knows that to be in the top 3 is the only way, I believe, to get into that final.
Also the World Relays for Jamaica this year. And this is Dominic Williams of UTEC, and he'll be running from lane 7. And out there in lane 8, this is Kimberly Stewart of Texas Tech University.
So my prediction earlier is that only 3 from the semi-final go through, which would mean that Buaje at 10.14 and Kadrian at 10.12 do go through. But let's watch the clock, because these athletes still have to go. Ackeem Blake, I believe, will win comfortably. Nishan Ebanks and Javari Thomas, I expect, will make positions 2 and 3 for the final this evening.
So they head to their blocks. Miller, Campbell, Blake, Thomas, Ebanks, Foster, Williams in 7, Stewart out there in lane 8. Ackeem Blake, world indoor bronze medalist over 60 meters. Lead-off man for Jamaica's mixed relay, 4x1 mixed relay team at the World Relays this year. Usually gets out quickly. It says, along with Ebanks, who got off to a flyer in the preliminary. Set position. Sent off. Clean break, even start. Williams is out quickly. So too is Ackeem Blake. Top 3 sure to advance. Blake takes control, comes across the line ahead of Ebanks, and Javari Thomas comes through for 3rd there. And those 3 are automatically through. Ackeem Blake took charge early. So there was no stopping him from there.
Let me let you know that both Buaji and Kume and Kadrian Golson are in the final. We predicted this. Ackeem Blake would win. Nishani Banks with a brilliant start again. Sets another personal best running 10.18. And Jabari Thomas pulls in for 3rd. We now have our finalist. His time, 10.27, gets him into the final. I'd made a kind of side bet earlier with some friends that even the 6th place finisher in the first semi-final would be faster than the top 3. And I was right. Let's go.
So Ackeem Blake, 10.05 in taking semi-final 2. Ebanks, 10.18. Thomas, 10.27. Those three advance automatically. Rashid Foster, 10.32. Miller at 10.39.
Taekwondo Tracy at 10.25, faster than Jabari Thomas, will not be in the final. Travis Williams at 10.26, faster than Jabari Thomas, will not be in the final.